will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can find apps here, and you can click on Bumble. Then you can click on first stop, and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone, and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again if it's not working with you. Then you can update your app on Play Store here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.